What's up, boys and girls? This is Revival GT. So I'm gonna go to the track today, and I'm very excited because I am finally gonna see what my car will actually run on a tire. A buddy of mine's letting me borrow his tires because I don't have a drag setup. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna put his slicks on, and we're gonna go out to the track and see what I can finally do. Because last time I was super upset. I could not get this car out of the 12s, and I was very mad about it. It got to the point I got a 12:003 was my time, and I was really trying to get out of the 11. So that's where I'm at. Oh, also, we're gonna see a really cool matchup tonight. So this is my friend Brad and his dad. They're gonna be racing each other. So, you know, Brad's got a black 2019 5.0 10-speed, and his dad, I don't know exactly what year the car is, but it's like a 1970 maybe Dodge Charger, and the thing is a freaking race car. It's awesome. It is so freaking cool. So I've only seen his dad make a pass like once, and that car was getting it. So I'm really excited to see what's gonna happen tonight with little father-son matchup. So I just got to Brad's house, and he's already got me jacked up. Literally just pulled up, started jacking my car up. So Brad got called into work real quick, so while we were trying to get everything ready, so I'm actually gonna go to the station and go get some E85 for him. And yeah, so we're gonna make it work. We're gonna make the best out of the situation. All right, I have a trunk full of E85, and I'm pulling up to this station because I don't use the $7 a gallon E85. I use the pump stuff. We are rolling out. I should probably put it in drive. Squad. Gang, gang. If you're driving with slicks, that didn't help at all. It's a quick note. If you're driving with slicks, try to avoid sharp like steering movements, because the whole car is going to be doing this number, and it's not fun at all. It's pretty hard to control. If you don't know what to expect, it'll probably really freak you out. So be careful with that, and just try to practice if this is going to be something that you're going to be doing often. This is Brad's dad's car.
Hey, if you touch it, I kill you.
Oh, I'm not. I can't afford to touch this car. It is absolutely just nasty. This is one of my favorite cars around here, no lie. You know who I am. I'm not a huge like Mopar guy. Alright guys, we are about to do it. See if I can break a 12. I'm sure I can, but how low of a 11 can we get? my god! Oh my god! Bro, I am so giddy right now. I've got butterflies. Oh, this is why people do this. What did we run? 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 Hello, thank you.
Thank you.
What did we get? What did we get? What did we get? What did we get? 11.4. 11.4. Oh my god. Over half a second got taken off from my last time here from just a tire. Oh god. I don't know if you can, shit. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, I'll have to show it to you later. I got an 11.4 at 120. My trap is lower than last time, but I heard, you know, slicks kind of slow that down a little bit. Hey, what's done to it?
E85 tune, downpipes, and there's something else I'm not thinking of. Sorry, guys.
Gotcha. What size downpipe is it?
I don't know, Elliot. Get over here.
3.5.
3.5 inch? Yeah. Wait, you look confused.
No, it's a 4 inch.
Gotcha. Okay, 4-inch downpipe.
He was confused.
4 inch
E85 tune, and that's got you running a 10.5 ish, and that's it.
10.593 was the fastest pass I just made in it, and it's just on Ecutech with an E30 tune.
Gotcha. What's Ecutech? I don't know.
Ecutech is the software that we use for tuning.
Yeah.
Hey, like on their trucks?
Yes,
Basically
I do.
stock. I deleted.
Yeah. Yeah. My wife said that she saw you like the other day, like waving at her and stuff.
Yeah, I don't think she knew who I was.
It broke an axle. Oh, look at that grease. This is the second video that somebody's broke a freaking axle on this car. So this is what it looks like when you break an axle and you got to push the car back out of the way. What?
How far back do you want it?
Oh, you're good. Oh, shit. Okay. Skirt. Another one.
That's the black coyote.
God. I'm so glad my car's silver right now. So what happened to your car? Let's go over here a little bit.
Honestly, I think they hail spraying the damn track with the water. And
You think they did what to the track?
I think they hail sprayed the track. I think one side of the track was wet.
Oh.
The other one was kind of dry.
Which lane were you in?
I was in the left lane.
Left lane?
Tried to leave a little bit harder than usual.
Damn, dude.
Rear end broke. Something broke on the rear end of the drive.
I gave you my tuna. He's about to run a pass, boy. More power, baby.
Tyler, I just want to say I'm sorry.
Well, boys and girls, I also broke a fucking axle tonight. We got a line of cars that all broke shit. Well, guys, this is how car stuff happens. You know, you bring it out, you put a lot of stress on it, you risk breaking stuff. So I thought I was going to be okay on a soft tire, and it blew anyway. So it's all right. We're going to get it figured out. We're going to have this thing running again tomorrow. This is the real deal walk of shame right now. Okay. Some dude's pushing me right now to get me out the gate. Just so y'all know, this does not speak on the reliability of Ford. It only speaks on the shittiness of their stock driver's side axles. So there's one for one car. There's two for two cars. Oh shit. And then me by myself, all lonely because my truck's not here yet. Okay, so I've been waiting. How long have we been waiting now? Almost 2 hours? You said 90 minutes. It's, yeah, about 2 hours. So we've been waiting for about 2 hours on a tow truck from roadside assistance. And I called roadside assistance back, and basically he said, yeah, he's probably not coming. So we're going to send somebody else out here. So now I'm stuck out here for some period of time that I don't know how long it's going to be. But check this out. The black Mustang, Brad's black Mustang, he already got it towed. Y'all saw it going away, right? It's missing now. The guy picked up the car, and it's been a long time, so he should have already made it back to Brad's house. And Brad's trying to get in contact with the driver, and he won't answer the phone. So his car is missing. Oh, it is now 12:10. It's 12:10 a.m. We've been waiting since about 8:30 or 9 o'clock. The first guy apparently just rolled back over and went to sleep. He never showed up. And so I called back. Now they've got somebody else coming out here. More than likely, I'm gonna have a friend with a trailer show up before any of these motherfuckers do. So that's where we're at. I'm really mad. I would just like to point out to the world that my friends showed up with a trailer. They drove all the way home, which is a long way. Went to another city to pick up the trailer and brought it back, and now I'm getting picked up. Thank you, April. You're literally just black, but yeah. Content. Jesus Christ. So we were thinking, what if the tow truck that picked up Brad's car was actually there to pick up my car, and since the car was missing, they took it to Ford instead of Brad's house. Right, that's what we were kind of thinking might have happened.
Oh, because it wasn't on time getting our house.
Right, yeah, because y'all showed up at the house and y'all left way after the tow truck did.
I was gonna say, yeah, how did y'all beat the tow truck?
Yeah, he must have took his fucking sweet time. So.
Yeah, with the smoke. Okay, okay.
Get it,
New profile picture inbound. Yes, sir. Yeet.
Content. Oh, that's the part that was broke down.
We made it. Charlie! Charlie! Hey! Where's your boy? That's all she wrote for tonight. Come out here tomorrow morning. I'm gonna swap these axles out. Swap this axle out.